Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channels. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint infographic using animations in PowerPoint in just 6 minutes. So let's begin. First of all, insert a circle, and then you're going to duplicate it and decrease that circle size and duplicate it about 4 times, but decrease each of the circle size. And next, we're going to put them into the middle and the center to check for the alignment. And then we're going to move it back onto the left side and go to format shape and give each of the circle a specific and a different gradient color with different directions. The color palette that I have used is provided in the link in the same template that I have given the link to, and you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and it's completely for free. Next, you're going to insert a rounded corner rectangle and make it fully rounded, and then group it, and then send it to the back and group it along with this circle, and then put rounded corner rectangle right at the back, and then you're going to send it to the back. So let me just put it on top and then duplicate it and then place it right here, but along with this second circle, group it, and the other one also goes right here, but it goes in the back of the third circle, and this one goes in the back of the fourth circle, and it is going to be grouped with the fourth circle. So here you go. Now the next thing you're going to do is give the lines the same gradient as we used in the circle they are attached to. Select all of them and group them. Give them a downward shadow. And the next thing we're going to do is insert a rounded cone rectangle and place it on top and change the background's color, and then change the color of this rectangle to off-white and duplicate it about 4 times, but decrease their sizes and move them real together and group them so we can just place them into the middle. And next we're just going to give them a glow of white color, but shadow would be better than glow, so I'm just going to use shadow for now. Next, what we're going to do is insert a text box in which we're going to write our text, and let's duplicate it, and let's insert our content text. So here you go. Now the next thing you're going to do is group it and then duplicate the text box in each of the rounded cornered rectangles. Again, I'm going to tell you that you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And all the tutorials that I ever have made have the link to the templates that I have made in them in the description, and they are absolutely for free. If you want more content and if you want more free content, you can check out my Patreon link for my YouTube channel in about section, and you can also check out my Pinterest link, which have all free videos and shorts and everything you need to become a pro in PowerPoint. Next, what you're gonna do is adjust you're gonna insert 4 icons and then give them the same color as the same of the shapes, and then place them in each of the rectangle, and then give them the same gradient as the circles. Let me just insert another icon. I'm gonna make it larger and then place it into the circle because it looks empty. And then group all of the shapes along with the text and everything on it. Insert a line, which is gonna be a straight line, and we're gonna change its color to white. And then this is how we're going to place these lines right here in a specific pattern. So now it's time for animations, and for this shape, I'm just gonna give it this animation of zoom. And for all these lines, let me just select all of them and then give them the animation of wipe, but from the left direction. And for first of all, I'm gonna group all of the content on this rectangles and then give them the floating animation from the right side. But each will go with animations individually. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, and you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.